Now let's continue again on sine rule. We recall that in sine rule, the rule states that the length A divided by the angle opposite to A is equal to the length B divided by the sine of the angle opposite to B is equal to length C divided by the sine of the angle opposite to C. So with respect to that, now let's take another example. The question says in triangle ABC, we are given that A is equal to 7.1 centimeters, B is equal to 9.5 centimeters, and length angle B is equals to, let's say, 63 degrees. Now, with respect to that, the questioner says we should solve completely. When the question says we should solve completely, that means we should find the remaining angles, we should find the remaining sides. So let's draw the triangle so that we'll have a vivid representation of what we're working with. Triangle ABC, A, B, and C. The side B, angle B, is 63 degrees. The side A is 7.1 centimeters, and the side B is 9.5 centimeters. And the principle that we are applying is the sine rule, which is A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B, which is equals to C divided by sine C. So what do we have and what do we not have? We have A. Okay, we have A to be 7.1 centimeters. We have B to be equals to 9.5 centimeters. And we have angle B to be equals to 63 degrees. So the first thing we will do is to evaluate angle A. Okay, so this is the first thing we will do. Let us evaluate angle A. And to do that, we are going to apply A and B. So we are using A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B. A is 7.1, sine A, we are looking for angle A, and B is 9.5 with sine B, which is sine 63 degrees. So with this now, we can make sine A serve the formula. Therefore, sine A will be equals to 7.1 multiplied by sine 63 degrees divided by 9.5. Simplifying this simply with our calculator because of time, 7.1 multiplied by sine 63 divided by 9.5. This would give us sine A to be equals to 0.6659. Now 0.6659 is equals to sine A. How then do we find A? If we recall from our inverse trigonometric functions, where we have if sine x is equals to A, definitely x will be equals to arc sine of A. We did the same thing for cosine, as we have cosine y is equals to B, then y is equals to arc cos of B. And similarly, tangent z is equals to C, and angle z is equals to arctan of C. So implementing that here, we have that our angle A will be the arc sine of 0.6659. Implementing that into our result, we will have angle A to be equals to 41.75 degrees. So let's go back to the diagram, and now this time around we have angle A to be equals to 41.75 degrees. Now if angle A is equals to 41.71 degrees, we can easily find angle C. So we can look for angle C now. And how do we look for angle C? We are saying that the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So let's implement that. Given that the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees, therefore A plus B plus C, that was the angles at point A, angles at point B, and the angle at point C, is equals to 180 degrees. The angle at A is 41.75 degrees. The angle at B, given in the question, is 63 degrees. And we are looking for the angle at C, which is equals to 180 degrees. So making C solve the formula, we have this to give us 180 degrees minus 41.75 minus 63 degrees. So we have C to be equals to, using our calculator, 180 minus 41.75 minus 63, and this will give us 75.25 degrees. Now we have simplified angle A, we have also simplified angle C. Angle C is equals to 75.25 degrees. Now the next thing to do is to simplify length C. Length C, which is this. So let's write out our concept again of sine rule. A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B is equals to C divided by sine C. Now we are looking for C, and apparently we have everything else. We have length A, we have angle A, we have length B, we have angle B, we have angle C, but we are looking for length C. So we can choose to use it with A, and likewise we can choose to use it with B. But then let's use it with B. So we are using B divided by sine B is equals to C divided by sine C. So with respect to that, let's make our substitution. What is the length B? Length B given in the question is 9.5 centimeters, and sine B, which will be sine of 63 degrees, because B is 63 degrees, and we are looking for C, and our angle C that we evaluated was 75.25 degrees. So easy peasy. Let's make C solve the formula. Making C solve the formula, we would have C is equals to 99.5 multiplied by sine 75.25 degrees divided by sine 63 degrees. Definitely we are saying that C, using our calculator because of time, is 9.5 multiplied by sine 75.25 divided by sine 63 degrees. And this will give us C is equals to 10.311, okay, to 3 decimal places, centimeters. Now we are able to solve it completely. So if we draw the final diagram or the question, we will have angles length A, B, and C. So we were able to solve that C is equals to 10.311 centimeters. Okay, likewise angle C is 75.25 degrees. Similarly, angle A is 41.75, and the rest were given in the question. That angle B is 63 degrees, length A is 6 centimeters, if I'm correct, 7.1 centimeters, and length B is 9.5 centimeters. So yes, we have been able to solve this correctly.